स्वागत है आपका डॉक्टर सौरभ सर क्लासेस में। और आज हम लोग सॉल्व करें ISI M.Tech PCB सॉल्यूशंस 2025 और इस सीरीज में हम लोग आ चुके हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पे। तो चलिए सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। यहाँ पे दिया गया है एक रिलेशन यहाँ पे और उसके एट्रीब्यूट्स क्या है x y z। ठीक है, तो अभी यहाँ पे ए सेट ऑफ फंक्शनल dependencies exist not given explicitly। ठीक है, अभी द क्लोजर जो है ऑफ एन एट्रीब्यूट सेट ए इज अ सेट ऑफ एट्रीब्यूट्स फंक्शनली डिटरमाइंड बाय ए। तो वी हैव टू प्रूव और डिसप्रूव दैट क्लोजर ऑफ x यूनियन y plus n x closure of x union z is x closure of x union closure of y intersection z, correct? So this is the thing. And second, closure of x intersection y union closure of x intersection z is equals to closure of x intersection closure of y union z. So now here, what is the left hand side? For statement A we are doing first. So it's plus, correct? So now all attributes derivable from both x union y and x union z. And what is at my right hand side? That is, so this means union of attributes derivable from x and from y intersection z. Okay, so here the counter example like R is, and here A. So here let x is equals to A, y is equals to B, z is equals to C. Now what we compute first? The left hand side for the first. So here left hand side will be okay, and left hand side then intersection A comma C. So that will come obviously A and C. Okay, now coming to the right hand side, closure, so y intersection set is, or so the right hand side A, B, C, A, B, C. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So then statement A is false, correct? Now time for B. Okay, so here for B, closure of and this. Okay, so here attributes derivable from both x intersection y and x intersection z. Okay, so what is my right hand side? It attributes common to x closure and closure of y union z. Okay, so we will use the same example, like we will use x is equal to A, y is equal to B, and z is equal to C. Okay, so now we will compute first the left hand side. So this is this, or is this one, and x intersection z is, or this one will be okay, and left hand side then union this is this, and what is the right hand side? X is equal to a, b and c. Okay, and then y union z will be b comma c, y union z is b c. Okay, and then right hand side a b c intersection b c, that is intersection b c. So then again my statement b is false. So both we have